So, guys, what should we do today?
I think we should just sit down, eat, chill, relax, and eat snacks and candy. What about you? Because yesterday was Halloween.
Yeah, I'ma run.
No, it's raining.
It's raining.
I told you. That's why you never go out without my permission.
Well, you're not the boss, though.
Let's sit down. What do you mean I'm not the boss?
You're not the boss. Flaky's the oldest.
I'll be right back.
Hey, Flaky.
I'll be right back.
Oh, all right. Hey, Flaky. Yeah. Since you're the oldest, how about you go with Cody?
Stay right here. I'll be right back. Come on.
I'm gonna go with him. No, he said stay. He's going.
She can come.
He's a he.
He can come. My bad.
Thank you.
You're welcome. She can stay. I thought you wanted to come.
Oh no, I'm a he. Do you not even know about your genders?
I do know about my genders. Doofus. I'm Jojo.
Just go.
I'm going this. I'm going this way.
Mr. Flareon Exterminator should be coming soon. Yeah, Mr. Flareon Exterminator.
Yeah, mama. Let's do the things that we should do today. So what I said is relax, sit down, relax, watch TV. I didn't say that, but yeah, we can watch TV.
TV.
Everything's good on TV today.
Yeah. We not watching no Pandemic. That was a good movie. That was just the trailer of Pandemic.
The quickest trailer. And look, guys, there was a 13-minute movie. Lame.
Oh no, that was the other movie. It was called Affected at the time. It was a 13-minute
That looked
movie.
like, who was it again? That looked it like somebody.
Mike Epps.
Yeah, it looked it like Mike Epps. So, I think I should step out, get some fresh air. I want to see it rain. I didn't get to go because you guys wanted to go. You're wasting my time.
Again? You're going outside?
Of course, yeah.
I'm gonna go too.
I'm going.
Well, I'm gonna take a walk on the other side of the house. Wait for me. No.
You gotta pay for Cloudy Up a Chance of Meatballs, Boss Baby.
We gotta pay for storks.
Always a good one.
Oh.
Cloudy, all the chance of meatball.
That's not What is it?
It was home, right? No, that was home. No, that was
I'm gonna go eat, guys. What do you guys want?
But just come with you, get a Mr. Mummy pancake for free at the age under
How come you
12.
eat that every day, Mr. Mommy Pancake?
It's free at IHOP, so I'm gonna go get it. Well, I guess you're gonna get it then.
I guess, come on.
We're under the age of 12. Let's go.
Gotta go faster. Oh, back from eating our Mr. Mommy Pancake.
Yeah, it was good, right?
Was.
At least we were under the age of 12. If you get to stay that way, we get more free Mr. Mummy pancakes.
What if you're 12 and up?
You don't get none for free.
I mean, what if you're 12 and down?
You can get them for free.
Oh, even if you're 12?
Yeah.
Great. Terrific. Of course it's gonna be terrific. Cause Mr. Mummy Pancakes make your day go right.
Yeah.
So, that's for facts. I can speak and say what I want. Of course you can, stupid dummy.
To be continued.